Welcome to our channel bacareers. In this video let us discuss about Lean Business Analysis, a guide to streamlined efficiency. Introduction to Lean Business Analysis. Definition of Lean Business Analysis. Importance of reducing waste and maximizing value in business processes. Core principles of Lean Business Analysis. Focus on customer value. Continuous improvement, Kaizen. Eliminate waste, Muda. Benefits of Lean Business Analysis. Faster decision-making. Improved stakeholder engagement. Higher efficiency and reduced costs. Techniques and tools used. Value Stream Mapping, VSM. Minimum Viable Product, MVP. 5 Whys Analysis. Challenges and mitigation strategies. Common obstacles in implementing Lean. Techniques to overcome resistance and ensure successful adoption. Real-world examples. Case studies of Lean Business Analysis in action. Conclusion. Recap and call to action for adopting Lean in business analysis. Welcome. Today, we explore Lean Business Analysis, a method focused on streamlining efficiency, reducing waste, and maximizing value in business processes. Lean Business Analysis revolves around 3 core principles: prioritizing customer value, fostering a culture of continuous improvement, and eliminating any wasteful activities. This approach offers numerous benefits, such as faster decision-making, enhanced stakeholder engagement, and significant cost reduction through higher efficiency. Key tools like Value Stream Mapping, the Minimum Viable Product Strategy, and the 5 Whys Analysis help in identifying waste and optimizing processes. Implementing Lean can be challenging due to resistance to change. Effective communication and training are crucial for successful adoption. Real-world examples highlight how organizations use Lean principles to drive success and remain competitive in dynamic markets. Lean Business Analysis offers a path to greater efficiency and effectiveness. Start implementing Lean today to achieve streamlined success. Visit our website for more insights. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.